are you going to be taking the food out?
Yep.
Where's Tano? Tano, the orchiette? You know, people always wonder where a chef or a cook is inspired, you know. Does one get their inspiration from cookbooks? Does one get their inspiration from reading magazines? Does one get their inspiration from eating out? Does one get their inspiration from tasting something? And the answer really is all of them. And if you are always saving those parts that feel like you could use them again, file them somewhere in there, you'll find yourself drawing from those inspirations when you're stuck or need to create a new dish.